Kubor Kapati TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
Ka tenat ka bapet, bat ka bathau bawa, ya ka Jinglong ka Suiñbneng, ka Indian Meteorological Department, hakni ka jila, ka badan ya ka center jongka ha apa Shillong, ka lapelong da ka jing aji ka ya kinong thok kubor hakni ka jila, kumnu bakin su thok, ya ki jing batai ki babun jat Shaphang ka Jinglong jingman ka Suiñbneng, ha ki sngi ki baralet, bat kumju ru ha ki sngi ki bansawan. Ya kata ki ong ka IMD Weather Services, Weather Terminologies, Forecast, but warning practices. Lani ka jing maham lupa ki paj ba. Hakani ka jing aji kai pentebet ka bashi sngi ki nong thok kubor ki layo banya merjing mun, but ki scientist ki badan hakani ka center, bakan thop yo director ne u head jong ka center, u SH Thang Jalal Luavum, but u meteorologist uba rivertes paryong, but ki wei pat ki officer ki badan hakani ka center. Ka jing merjing mun bat ki kalong ka bayo nong hadu kata ta namar ba day ling ba ka jing batai banyak jong ki bin pa bin ba ki nong thok khobor ki lapan a jing sha ki pat ba ya ka Jinglong jingman ka Suiñbneng kumbala batai lupa da kani ka tanan ki lapan sengau ru hangi ba ki snam ki banwan kinwan ra da ka rukom batai ha ka Ktien Khasi ka ba kampun suk shui ki pat ba ban sengau tho khnang ba kin yo jingman toy na kani ka jing batai kham tam e ki nong rap.
So we have this seasonal scale like monsoon, then monthly scale like for before the start of 1 month, IMD will give monthly scales. Then if we come down to station level, we have extended range forecast for 2 weeks that is issued every Thursday. Then after that we come down, then we have a agromet advisory services bulletin. So this AAS bulletin is given every Tuesday and Friday for only agromet services. And this is a composite bulletin in a way that collaboration between IMD and ICAR. So IMD is giving the weather part, ICAR is giving the weather, the agriculture advisory. So it's a composite bulletin. It's issued every Tuesday and Friday. And after that we go, then we have daily forecast for 7 days and warnings for 5 days. So this is updated once in a day, and if there's any severe weather, then we update it in the evening also if there's any weather change. Other than that, we have this nowcast which we are giving every 3 hourly. So maybe this one, this is the one which you say we are giving updated daily. So this is very different from the one which we give for the whole day. The whole day means you can have a general condition, but nowcast it covers the next 3 days. 3 hours. That means it covers the next 3 hours. That means it's very specific which region. We're marked in the map also which region. So normally in the daily forecast you'll have district wise. So you'll not have that location specific. So nowcast we have this location specific. That's why that scales of forecast needs to be understood.
This is in graphical representation. This is also, it is of yesterday, so there is no significant weather, so it is like this. But if there are some rain or some weather activity, then this color will pop up in. This is also district wise, so it will, this color, it may appear in some districts. Wherever there is weather activity, then it will appear. Then for suppose it is most places, then we used to give this widespread. It first from isolated. So this is the color which you were mentioning at that time. These are the coloring. If it is dry, then it's just like this. In all the districts, it is dry. Just like today, it is dry. So it appears nothing. But suppose if isolated rainfall here and there, then this color will come up in some district where rainfall is likely to occur. In some district it will appear this color. So again, if few places if scattered, there is another term also we are using scattered rainfall, then this color will appear in some district here. And then if it is fairly widespread, mean more rainfall, then again this color. And if it is widespread, then in most places, then most rainfall, this color will appear. So in that way, if public will see this map, they will understand, okay, in this district it is that much of rainfall, okay, in this place it is that much of rainfall, like that they will understand. Okay. Any discussion regarding this graphical? This is a weather forecast. This is in graphical representation. The previous one that is in letters. So this one is in graphical representation with this color according to the weather activity of every district. This is again in letters. This is the warning. This warning we are issuing only if there is impending weather to occur, then we are issuing this warning. So in this warning also there are some color code. If no warning, that means no rainfall, no thunderstorm, no weather activity, then it is green, all green. Then if some activity is there, some rainfall, some thunderstorm, some wind, then this yellow one, just we are giving in another language, just be aware, this yellow. So if it is red, then there might be severe weather, say heavy rainfall, and then maybe high wind, like that. If it appears in red color, then definitely there will be some activity, some rainfall, some weather activity in some districts, so this red color will appear.
Pin rius qua ya Ktien la jong pin dam kam ya kabakan kiyo Ktien Khasi Ktien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka Ktien Khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan Ktien Khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiu yau up hinrengi kiu yau thep tu daya kan mau kan det ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingmentoi upat ba